Hello and welcome to Cindy at 40. Once in a while you meet someone who turns your world upside down. It seems like the sole purpose this person has come into your life for is to make you question everything you believed could be possible in life. You are madly in love, your mind is mush, and you cannot think straight. You cannot remember what you ate this morning, or if you ate at all, or what day of the week it is. You just know exactly how long it will be until you're going to see your love again. Then fast forward and the relationship blows up in your face, and you are left looking at all the pieces of yourself that scattered, wondering what went wrong and how the hell you're going to pull them back together. This is when the real work begins. While breakups are hard to navigate, they help illuminate our pain points and areas that could benefit from attention and growth. They show you where you've been abandoning yourself. The process of splitting apart hurts. It disappoints and exhausts. It requires that you take the little energy you've left and pivot in an entirely different direction. All of this as you hit with an emotional tsunami and can hardly focus on having one straight thought. Focus and clarity are essential to living a purpose-filled life, but near impossible to access during and soon after a breakup. Here are a few things that have worked for me. 1. Get space. Care for yourself by doing less and resting more. Go low or no contact. 2. Connect with your essence. Care for yourself by celebrating your uniqueness. 3. Connect with your deepest feelings. Care for yourself by feeling your feelings. Your brain does not care about your happiness. It only cares about keeping you safe. This is why instead of embracing painful emotions so that they can communicate, metabolize, and depart, we develop a host of coping mechanisms to avoid it. Food, sex, television, shopping, alcohol all serve as distractions for running from your pain. The more you run away, the more it will persist. 4. Care for your needs. Care for yourself by honoring what you need. And 5. Practice sharing your vulnerability. Care for yourself by chasing